Hello, today I'm going to be talking about the Core Nava. So Core are a company, been around for a few years now. They make water bottles, or as they call them, hydration vessels. They make some really cool designs, and their latest product is the Nava, which started off as a Kickstarter campaign which did very well, and is now on general sale, and it's their first bottle that filters your water as you drink it. It comes in a variety of colours, just the one capacity. I'll talk about the capacity later on. Few colours, I've got the white and blue here and the red and black, but they do a few others as well. So it starts off with the bottom part. They sell it in one capacity, which is 650 mils. However, I've actually noticed that on the bottom here it says the capacity is 750 mil. That's because it's constructed in the same way as the Core Delta, which is a previous bottle I had, and you can see that the bottom is actually identical to the new Core Nava. This is a 500 ml Delta, so you can see the size is slightly different. So the bottom part is the same as the 750 ml Delta, but the top is different. So this, you can see, is just a normal open top. Sorry, this one's got a smoothie in it right now. I think the reason that they say it's a 650 ml capacity is obviously because the filter and the straw, etc., displaces some of the water, so it reduces the actual capacity of the liquid you can fit inside it. So it comes with one filter each. Just a quick word on the filters. They say that they're rated to last 200 refills, or roughly 3 months is what they say. You have to give them a wash through before you actually put them in. They do provide a subscription service, so you can get periodic replacement filters, but you can also just buy replacement packs. These come with 2 replacement filters. I'm not based in the US, so I can't use a subscription service, so I just bought a bunch of these. The filter itself has a closed end and an open end, kind of like a straw. They're made out of coconut shells, which is supposed to be more sustainable than usual filters. What you do is you pop it in the straw here. The straw then attaches to the bottom of the top piece. That just clicks on like that. You then attach this to the bottle, and there we have it. So the water is drawn up through the bottom of the straw, through the filter, and out through the mouthpiece. So on the top you have this catch. It's kind of a spring-loaded thing. That's provided by the fact that the mouthpiece has a bit of a kind of a spring to it, which is quite nice. Has a nice weight to it. So you kind of push against this when you're sucking through the mouthpiece to get a nice kind of seal. Here's one that's full. So as you can see, you just suck through the mouthpiece, literally like any other straw. It's got a really nice suction to it, and the water tastes really great coming through. It does taste noticeably different to water that's come straight out of the tap. The philosophy behind the product is to remove people's kind of reliance on bottled water. I drink a lot of bottled water, and the water from this does taste really good. As I say, noticeably different to out of the tap, and will stop you spending money on bottled water, obviously. If you wanted to use it with anything else, now they do say that the filters and actually the bottle shouldn't be used with any other kind of juice or soft drink or anything like that. I mean, as you saw, I use my Delta with smoothies, but you could, as I'm sure they don't actually want you to, you could just take out the filter, simply reattach it, and use it with no filter whatsoever, which means that it's not, nothing's going to get caught up in the filter. The straw goes quite close to the bottom there, so you get most of it out, and then you could use it with whatever else. But you probably couldn't use it with something like a smoothie, because obviously it's quite a narrow thing at the bottom there, so lumps are going to get caught or going to get stuck. It's a really solid build quality. As with anything with Core, they build their stuff really solid. I've dropped this several times. It's been all around the world with me, and I mean, it doesn't seem to actually have a mark on it. So yeah, really great great build quality. So that's the Nava. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks.